Hello and welcome to the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. This is the March 7, 2009 edition. So welcome back, traders of the world. Let's take a quick peek back again at last week's results while we were in Jamaica. Well, we got into the red last week. We, called 3 trades and ended up losing 29 pips. That accounted for just about 2% of our account, a 2% loss. So this week, we're able to get back up and rise and shine. Well, we certainly have risen. Shining, it's up to debate, but this week we tallied 93 pips and increased our account by 10.2%, so effectively erasing the speed bump we had last week. So what does this mean as far as money is concerned, these pips, these percentage points? Let's explain that using our 3 hypothetical trader, Peter, Pipper, Susie, Lovelots, and Bubba, Big Shot. So what they have in common is they all been through the graduate program. They each attend the swing and position team trade room on a daily basis. They just didn't start trading at the same time. That's the difference between them. They each opened 2 different accounts to start the year. Peter funded both his accounts with $500. Susie funded both her accounts with $2,000 in each, the compounding and the reward account. And Mr. Big Shot went with $10,000 in each account. So, for the week ending March 7, 2009, we called a total of 12 trades this week. 6 were winners, 6 were losers. Total pips, 93 pips. Return on investment, 10.2%. Now let's see what it looks. We had one big kahuna there. It was 100 pips, a small kahuna, I guess. 100 pips on the EJ. And we had a 40 pips on the Swissy. And the rest, well, 30 pips on the Kiwi and so on. But, many little losses and a few break even with just 1 pips in profit. So that's the week that was. You can see our entry, all our stop losses, and where we have taken profit all over the place. So there we go. So now you're asking, did our traders take all these trades? Yes, indeed. There's only 12 of them over 5 days. It's because in order for our probabilities to play themselves out in your account, and we must take all the potential setups that are offered to us indeed. But the thing is that we see these potential setups sometimes hours before the actual trade trigger. So that's fairly simple to do. As per typical in Teach Me Forex, we've got goals for each of our accounts. Account number 1, our compounding account, we're looking to compound 10% and then close it. And the account number 2, which is the reward account, we're looking to take the rest of the setups into that account. This week it didn't play in our favor, but that's okay. So let's go see our trader fared this week using these swing and position money management rule. So here we go with Peter in a compound account. He increased it to $987.97, so just short of $1,000 there, almost doubled it. And for the reward account did drop by about $50 here, as we can see, but still Peter's in the black. 61.60 profits there, so that's a small return on his investment. Let's go see Susie now. Susie, account number 1's at $39.51.80, and the reward account has also dropped to $52.72.65. Still well ahead of our initial $2,000 there. What caused the reward account to drop this week is, well, our winning trades occurred at the beginning of the week, so we got up to 10% and then we dropped slowly and took a bunch of losses towards the end of the week, and that was in our reward account. But that's okay. We could see that the reward account has paid off, in the past, as it is substantially higher than the compound account. All right, keep going with Bubba Big Shot. Bubba Big Shot is at 19.759 and 13 cents, so almost doubled it right now. And the reward account dropped a little bit, still well ahead of the initial 10,000s at $26,362. A total profit for Bubba this week, $1,231. That's the week that was there. So go go. All right. Let's see what's next. Again, only 12 trades this week. 6 wins, 6 losses, 93 pip profit, about 10% increase on your account if all them trades had been taken in that one and same account. If you split them over a bunch of accounts, well, you are reducing that by a bit, but that's okay. It's called money management, folks, and we do teach that. And it all makes sense. Now let's answer another question. Are we expected really to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? The answer is a big resounding yes. Because our money management rule in the swing and position phase are fully mechanical. I'm talking mechanical entry, mechanical stop loss, mechanical profit taking. So that does create the exact same end result no matter who's managing the trade. Could be me, could be you, it could be Peter Pipper, for all we know. So yes, that's the answer. And again, our favorite saying, give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he eats for a lifetime. And this applies to Forex. Get that skill within you and let us be your Forex fishing guides. And if you're still wondering who we are, what we do, how we do it, or how to join us in our exciting team trade rooms, please visit us at www.teachmeforex.com. And help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful weekend.